Y'all, my heart rate is 162. It is beating really, really fast. May have to stop here in a minute and chug down this Gatorade. I've already finished one bottle of water. Oh, now see, this is what I don't like right here. I don't know, maybe, looks like maybe somebody was camped here and just left all of their belongings. Well, maybe not all their belongings, but some of them. And yeah, if you want to camp in the woods, I'm all for it, 100%. But you really shouldn't leave your stuff lying around. I actually have no idea where this trail goes. Where I'm gonna end up at. I might regret coming down this far. But it's definitely got a lot of, definitely into a lot of the hilly parts of it now. There's a lot of hills. The first part of the trail that we took before the spillway was for the most part flat. But as you can see here, there's a lot of hills and a lot of tree roots. So again, you got to be careful. Watch your step. Look at that tree. All right, I got to stop and get some water. Yeah, we're definitely on a little mountain, little hill of some point, some sort. There's the view from down, and here we are up here. But the trees are really beautiful. Nice shade. There's a lot more mosquitoes up towards this way than there was down towards the other part of the trail. So this just loops around, it looks like, because there's the spillway there. And then it looks like it just loops right on back around in there. And this is where it ended up. So yeah, so it's just a little loop around. If you wanted to do that, you could get a little extra walk in that way. And I think I just got off the trail just a little bit. So let me pay attention to what I'm doing here. Yeah, the path goes up that way and then curves on around and then comes back over this way. So, yep, because see, we're back over here at the spillway. So now we just come back from the way that we came. Nice little bridge. Good ways down there. Good ways down. Good use of the water. No.
Pace 55 minutes, 23
And another
seconds.
little lookout spot here. Isn't that pretty? That's really pretty. I wasn't expecting to see those views of the water. Lots of marshy parts and
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies.